it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite core exercises. It is a bear crawl kickback. So to start off, you're going to start in the bear crawl position. So what that means is you're going to come down on the ground onto all fours. Your wrists are going to be directly underneath your shoulders. Your knees are going to be directly under your hips at shoulders width apart. You're going to tuck your toes underneath, squeezing your core tight. You're going to lift your knees up off the ground about an inch. Now you're going to have to squeeze your core tight because your core is going to stabilize you here. Your legs are going to be at 90 degrees. And now from here, you're going to lift one foot off the ground and kick up into the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top and end range of motion. Bring your leg back down and switch sides. You want to make sure that your knees are not touching the ground. Your knees should always come back down to about 1 inch away from the ground. You're going to squeeze your shoulders tight because your shoulders are going to also be your foundation for when you're kickbacking. And that is a bear crawl kickback.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.